New at 10, one Anniston City Councilor is calling for municipal court reform after some residents complained about widespread abuses within the court system. CBS 42 News reporter Corey McGinnis live in studio tonight investigating some of these issues that many residents have complained about, Corey.
Yeah, Jack, good evening. Well, over the years, an untold number of people show up at Anniston's Municipal Court. Earlier today, there were over 200 residents were on the docket, most to be judged for speeding and other ordinance violations. But tonight, the tables have turned, where some Anniston residents and one city councilor are judging the prosecutor and judging the judge.
Just go on and put that back in the wallet. Come outside and talk to me for a second.
This is body cam video released from the Anniston Police Department that shows the arrest of 59-year-old Rosetta Thompson. She says she was a victim of a false DUI arrest in 2016. However, records show she failed a field sobriety and was unable to provide sufficient breath samples for a breathalyzer test.
I kept telling her I have asthma. I did repeat it several times.
She claims to have several medical conditions, including COPD, diabetes, back pain, and asthma, and says police pulled her over after her car drove over a curb. Thompson says her asthma didn't allow her to pass the breathalyzer, but was still taken to jail.
Would you like me to help you?
No, don't touch me.
Thompson was charged with improper lane change, no proof of insurance, no child restraint for a 3-year-old child in the car, and a DUI under the combined influence of alcohol and a controlled substance. But she says the prosecution offered her a deal.
If you pay for the child not being in a car seat, all right, improper car seat and improper lane changing, the DUI would be dismissed.
But 3 months later, police showed up at her door and arrested her for a DUI.
Do justice and love mercy.
Anniston City Councilor Ben Little says he's not questioning the validity of Thompson's plea and says he was in the courtroom with Thompson when a deal with the assistant prosecutor was made.
So now they went back and corrected the ticket. Now they went to her house and arrested her for a DUI while she's on her couch. I mean, that's very odd and strange.
And that's just one reason why Little says he wants to review the entire municipal court, citing an overflow of defendants every week and guilty pleas becoming too common.
The prosecutor is misabuse and the use of his authority on doing some things. I think there's some ruling that took place where we think it's definitely questionable.
And other Anniston residents in Tuesday's city council meeting echo Little.
If we don't get Jason Odom out that city court, this city's going down.
That citation was null prost.
Jason Odom prosecuted Thompson's case and recharged her DUI from under the combined influence of alcohol and controlled substance to only under the influence of alcohol.
I am a diabetic, and my mouth is so dry. So very dry, and I am on a lot of medication.
He says if he notices a police report with inaccurate charges, by law, he can reinstate it. Odom says he offered Thompson the opportunity to withdraw her pleas on the other traffic citations and try all 4 cases together, but says she refused.
There, you can keep your legs on the seat.
Okay.
I'm fine with that.
No.
That's when the city proceeded to trial on the DUI alone, as the other 3 citations were already resolved.
I wouldn't say that it's not fair. It is the law, and it's being enforced equally regardless of who the individual is.
Would you say that you're fair?
Very fair.
Judge James Sims presided over Thompson's case and wouldn't go into detail about her prosecution, but says the no prost law gives the city or the person bringing the charge an opportunity to request that the charge be reinstated.
Would you like to see, I guess, less people in your courtroom?
I would love to work myself out of a job, to have fewer people come in, to have no one come in, but that's not the reality. For those that come in, I try to determine what's fair and reasonable and make an adjudication.
We must act, and we must act now.
Meantime, Councilor Little says he's holding on to the belief that a review is indeed necessary with Anniston's municipal courts and now has an ally in Thompson.
It has me stressed. It has me depressed. You know, and it's not, I can't move on with my life.
Last night, Anniston City Council went into executive session to discuss legal issues. Judge Sims and the prosecutor both tell me that they really just want to focus on the facts of every case. Thompson says she will hire an attorney and says that she wants all of this just to go away. Live in the studio tonight, Corey McGinnis, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.
Important reporting, Corey.